Rithwik P.H. I've done my first PU and second PU from Excel P.U College. My score in PCMB was 97% and overall I had got 95%. I have got a CET rank of 984. We were provided good coaching in Excel College and the teachers were very supportive to us. They were regular study hours and we had faculties from Hyderabad and all good lectures who supported us very well. Also, I'm expecting a good result in my NEET exams. I thank all the Excel staff for helping me to excel in my educational career. Also, we had regular study hours. The teachers were also present in the study hours, and we could clarify our doubts with the teachers present in the study hours. Even the night study hours here are very helpful, and Saturday and Sundays we have exams and the results were given out early itself, which helped us to progress in our career. Thank you.